back to Market Keys, and in today's video I'm going to just show you guys today's trade which I took on GBPCAD. Now my indicator is set up in such a way that you can easily take trades in the direction where the market is going. So for example, just to give you guys a rough strokes, this is a trend following indicator. All right, so if the market is in a downtrend, then this will only take sell trades. If it tries to go in an uptrend, it will only take buy trades. All right, so this particular trade I took on the 5-minute chart. So let me just go to the 5-minute right here, and I entered this trade right here this morning about 10 a.m. and right now I am up about, I think that's 80 pips. So right now I'm up about 80 pips on this particular trade. I might close it, I might not. This is a bigger account. This is a 25K account. So right now I'm floating about $5,000. So what I'm gonna do is, let me just make this easier for you guys to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my protective stop loss in profit right here, 1.06, let's see, 1.60191. Oh, you had some problems with that one. All right, let me check again. This is what? 1.60158. 1.60158. Let's try that. Really? All right, so I don't know why I can't put my protective stop in, but you guys get the point. This indicator, it works very well, and I've been using it to basically dominate the markets today. I think I also took a trade on GBP USD earlier this morning, so I got this sell trade. I think you can see it right here. So I got a sell trade this morning for about $2,000. all right, and yeah, you can see I have some small losing positions, but this is all relative based on the size of the account. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to close this. I don't know why. Maybe something is wrong with the broker today, but all right, it's finally closed. So I just closed that. So today's profit, hold on. Today's profit is just $5,600. So that's what we're doing today. Today was a very good day. Not every day will be as good as this. For me, I realize I take better trades on Mondays. I don't know why, but that's just the reality of the situation. Let me look at some other pairs maybe. GJ, let's see what GJ is doing. GJ tried to go up this morning, but it didn't really work. So it's resumed its sells. GBP Swiss is in a uptrend right now. GBP AUD is in an uptrend as well. So I'm just going to continue doing these trades and see if I can record my videos and let you guys see what's up with my indicator. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.